time, I was actually listening to Canada Cockwatch's new video, as you can hear in the background shortly. And in the past, I've received a few red light camera tickets, $325 a pop, and I've had a few. If I went through it, I paid. My fault. I accept responsibility. So there is no excuse for going through a red light, right? Wrong. Watch this. Sometimes MATLAB has the perfect timing. Well, after the red light occurrence, I proceeded to meet Auditing Canada at Dundas Square. Now let's just say you were a criminal on that day, Thursday, March 27th, 2025. Then you had free reign to commit any offense you like, as the police presence was practically nil. And every time I'm down at Dundas Square, I always see people getting bullied by Dundas Square security. I still am baffled as to why they have their own security and enforce it with an iron fist. Isn't it there for everybody to enjoy? It's a block of concrete. So get over yourselves, Paul Blarts of the world. So as I was walking over to Dundas Street, I saw a security officer slick, harassing people who were standing in a spot he didn't approve of. So